Hey guys, Benedict. Hey guys, Benedict Anti-Ink Demon here, and today I'm playing Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. I did play this a little bit last night, but this is actually my first time playing any Animal Crossing game. Now, the video will be a little bit short, sorry about that, and I won't be talking as much. I'll only be talking when I feel like it. I also have a Lego train I'm gonna build. That's the bag you hear crumbling. I also have a Lego Pokeball. I'd like to show you a picture. Here it is. Okay, anyway, to the game. Where do I want to go? I think I want to go here. Yay, peaches. And some apples, boy. And a pear. Any peaches? Any pears? Yes, pears. Let's go to Marketplace. Yeah, I did say I wasn't gonna talk much, but okay. Also, one quick thing, before I go to not talking much, if you've seen my latest video, my latest Bendy Season 6 Part 1, I did run out of ideas, so that's why it's the way it is. I'm sorry, but maybe one of you has an idea that you can share with me on Discord username in the comments, and just add me and we can talk about any ideas. What's up, Isabel? Hmm. That's a lot. Nah, I'll still buy it. Also take the glasses, because I wear glasses in real life. I love everything. Let's stick with this one. Yeah, look at me, looking dapper. Sorry about that, guys. That's Discord. Yeah, playing. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know. Sorry the video's a bit short, but yeah. So, if you want more videos, let me know, okay? Bye.